The moon, our closest cosmic neighbor, is at center stage. Ever wonder why we only see one face of the moon from Earth? It's due to a phenomenon called synchronous rotation. The moon orbits the Earth every 27 days, and interestingly, it also takes approximately the same time to complete one rotation on its axis. This perfect synchronization means the moon continually shows us the same face. But don't be fooled. The moon isn't stationary. Like a dancer in motion, it rotates, albeit slowly, on its axis. This rotation, coupled with the moon's orbit around Earth, gives us the phases of the moon,